Hi everyone! It's nice to see you today. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be preparing a whole wheat blueberry muffin for you. Something great to add in this time of year. Blueberries are one of those things that's coming into season. So it's a great addition, and who doesn't love some muffins, right? Okay, so we have our flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in here ready to go. Now the recipe calls for whole wheat flour, but if you don't have whole wheat flour on hand, it's okay. The nice thing is with whole wheat flour, it does add a great source of fiber. So if you're trying to bulk up your meals and have that feeling of fullness, incorporating whole wheat flour into your baking dishes is a great way to do that. Or you could even do half and half too. So doing half and half is another great way to incorporate some of that. Okay, so we have that in here. Now I'm going to add in the wet ingredients. So we're going to do them all right in here. So I have my milk right here. And then I'll add in my applesauce I have. Applesauce is nice when you're baking. It cuts down on the fat significantly. And it keeps your product really, really moist too. I have 1 egg. And then also 1/3 a cup of oil. Okay, so I'm just gonna whisk this. They say to beat the egg slightly. I forgot to do that when I was preparing this now for you, so I'm just gonna do it all just right here. Okay. And then I'm just gonna add this right into my dry ingredients. And today you're gonna notice that in this whole wheat blueberry muffin, I also added in some strawberries too. And so we have some neighbors down the road and we were able to purchase some berries from them. So I thought I didn't wanna have those berries go to waste, so why not add them in when I'm making these blueberry muffins for you today. Okay, so just give it a few good stirs. You don't wanna over mix any type of muffin that you're doing. So I always fold when I'm doing it. And you're still having that air in there when you do that fold. Okay, so now I have my 2 cups of fresh blueberries, and I also have about 1 cup of strawberries. And if you can see the color here, just the color in that is so beautiful. I'm gonna add that right in here. Oh, nice. You can hear my daughter in the background. She said, that looks perfect. Okay. So we are going to put these on in the muffin tin now. So I have my muffin tin already sprayed, ready to go for us. So I'm gonna put this on here. We'll do some dollops. About 3/4 of the way full. And as you're doing this, if you haven't already done so for your recipe, you want to make sure that you have your oven preheating. So right now I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees, and these will take about 12 minutes in the oven, give or take a little bit depending on your oven. And so remember, 400 degrees for about 12 minutes, and I'll be back with you guys soon. Okay, so I'm going to pull these out of the oven. The timer just went off. And it pretty much was 12 minutes for these, so make sure you're taking a look at that. Okay, don't they look absolutely beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's your turn to try it at home. Have a great day, guys.